Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In this video, I'm going to talk about handwriting and note-taking performance of Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So these are some of the apps that I'm going to use. So I will start first with Samsung Notes. So Samsung Notes is free note-taking app guys, and it is very responsive. You can see it here. Okay guys, I'm writing with the S Pen. It comes free with the S6 Lite. You can see here the writing. Okay guys, and it can also convert my handwriting into text. So I will show you. So I press this icon and then you can see it here. You can convert your handwriting into the text. So it is able to recognize my handwriting. Yes, some things are missing over here, for example like this one. So if I want to delete from here, I can also delete it. Okay, so you can see now it converted my handwriting, and it is also pressure sensitive, and it is pretty accurate guys. Okay guys, so you can see it over here. The next app that I'm going to use is Noteshelf. So you can see it here, Noteshelf. So also it is pressure sensitive, and I can also convert my handwriting into text, so it is easily recognize my handwriting guys. You can see it over here. It is pretty accurate. So you can see it. I can also change the color. I can also change the thickness of my pen. So you can see it over here. So this is for the note shelf. The next app is vacuum bamboo paper guys. So you can see it here. It is also pressure sensitive, and it has a laminated display, mean there is no gap between glass and LCD. Okay guys, so when you write, so the line will be directly beneath to the pen. So you can see it over here. This is bamboo paper. It is free app, but there are some tools option that you have to buy. You can see it over here. So this is my experience. So you can see if I put pressure, the line will be a little thick. You can see. So if I write like this, so there is no thickness. So it is pressure sensitive guys. You can see it over here. This pressure sensitive. So this is for the bamboo paper. So the next app is Squid guys. So this is a note taking app. Okay, so I'm using my S Pen, so you can see the writing experience. So it is also pressure sensitive guys. You can see it over here. And the lines are directly beneath the pen tip. It is easily able to capture my handwriting. Okay guys, so this is the Squid experience. So the next app that I'm going to use is Incredible. So you can see it here. Okay, there is no pressure sensitivity in this app. Overall, it is a very good note taking app, guys. And the thin and thick lines are applied by the software. If I press light or hard, it will be same. So you can see it here. I press hard, and if I press light, so the lines are same. So there is no pressure sensitivity. Okay guys, so there is no pressure sensitivity in this app, and if you want to erase your handwriting, so use your S Pen button, press it, and it will be converted into eraser. So like this one, you can you can erase your handwriting. So you can see it over here. Okay guys, so overall it's a very good note taking app guys. The last app that I'm going to write is Microsoft OneNote. So you can see it over here, my writing experience. It's a Microsoft OneNote guys. Okay, so if I talk about the S Pen tip, it is medium and soft. So I write on the surface of glass. It does not make any noise at all. The glass is smooth, so it is good for writing fast. So you can see it over here. So it is good for writing fast, and it allow you to use the side button to use as a eraser. So you can see it over here. So you can use it as a eraser, and then you can start writing again. Okay, it can easily recognize my handwriting, and it can also convert my handwriting into the text. You can also change the thickness of the pen, so you can see it here. Okay, so I make a little thin the S pen, so you can see it here, the writing. So you can see it over here. So there are different options that you guys can use in Microsoft OneNote. So my handwriting experience in Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is great guys. So I prefer this tablet for taking notes and using S Pen, because S Pen is free and it also has palm rejection technology. So when you put your hands on it, there will be no marks, or there will be no handwriting on your screen guys. So this is my experience with S6 Lite. I hope you enjoy the video, so please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.